Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Premiere Pro, and today we're going to be going over a few things like adding text, doing some voiceovers, some text effects, things like that. Should be pretty simple. All right, so the first thing I would like you to do is to import any videos that you're going to use. So you just go to File, Import. I've already imported one video, but I would like to import a sound bit that I made. So I'm going to go to Import and Desktop and New Recording. So this was a voice recording where I just used my cell phone and I did I think it's called the memo or something like that. And I talked into the cell phone and then I emailed it to myself, and then I brought it up on my email and downloaded it to the computer. So there it is now, and I want to import that. It's kind of a handy thing, like using the memo function on your phone. I have an iPhone, and you can use voiceovers for that. So first thing right here, I've got my main one, and this is the one of the whale that we saw before. I'm dropping my media into here. I've got down below here, the voice track. So you can kind of hear, it's up pretty high. So this is me and my cousin in the boat. We're just waiting for this humpback whale to come up. So let's see here. There it is. All right, so what I want to do maybe is I want to put a voiceover over the top of this. And in order to do that, I could put this new recording here and I can add it in. Where did it go? Why isn't that not going? Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to put it up above there, but that's why. Because I was putting it where the video goes and not where the audio goes. All right, so I've got my recording down here, but I've also got this recording, and I want to mute this one that came with the video. And so from right here, I'm going to just hit play. I'm hitting spacebar. Found in oceans and seas around the world, humpback whales typically migrate up to 16,000 miles each year. They feed in polar waters and migrate to tropical or subtropical waters to breed and give birth. All right, so you get the point. That was my voiceover that I added there. Now let's just say I wanted to add some text, and we've gone over this before, but I want to go over it again. And so I'm going to go to editing up the top here, and I want to, you can just click on one of these tracks here, and I'm just going to create some text. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to click on my text tool. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to drag a box. So I'm holding down my mouse and I'm dragging this box right here. Looks like it's taking a little while. So let's say I wanted to put whatever it was, something up here. The humpback whale, and I should probably make it black, so I highlight it. And in order to change anything that you're doing here, right here where it says text, I'm going to click that so that it expands it down. And right now the fill color is white, so I can make that black. So now that's black. And you can write whatever you want. Is one of the largest whales. Okay. Whatever you felt like putting in there, it doesn't really matter. This is just for the purpose of showing you how to do this. So I'm going to highlight this text. From here, I can do a number of things. I can put it all in the middle. I can change my font. So maybe I'll change it to, you can look down here and find something that you like. But for me, maybe I'll just try this one right here. Okay. You can also change the size of the font right here. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Let's just make it smaller. I can make, you have all these things that you're probably already familiar with. But you can add a stroke to it also. So that's the stroke is the around the text. So right now the stroke is white. And if you added a stroke, you'd have to click the checkbox right there. And that would add a white stroke around it. But we don't want that, or I don't want that. You can do whatever you want to do. So you've got a few things that you can mess with here that you're probably already used to. And some of these two, if you're not familiar with them, just mess around with them. That's the best I can say. So this video now you can see just shows you how to mess with the text. I can move this up here, and if I start this, or subtropical waters to breed and give birth, fasting and living off their fat reserves. Okay, so we've got that there. We can, if we zoom in here to this on my tracks, I can make this smaller. I can move it over. This is just the amount of time. And also from here, I can do some transitions. So if I'm going to my, let's see here. Okay. So I want my effects and I want my video transitions. So video effects, video transition. Sorry, you probably saw that and I didn't. All right, so you can just pick one here. Maybe you want this text to, because right now I have the text selected. So I'd like you to mess around with some of these. You can do a dissolve, dip to black, film dissolve. I'm just going to throw this film dissolve on here. You can also throw it onto the other side. And notice how that. And living off their fat reserves. Okay. So I can move this over to here if I wanted to. You can kind of just do whatever you want to do with this. All right, so the next thing is, let's just say that we wanted this to come in, and I'm going to zoom back in here. Notice how this thing right here, I'm just toggling here and I'm zooming. If I wanted this to be, let's just say over here, and it's highlighted, so therefore whatever I'm doing over here, I hit my effect controls, and now I can change the position. So it's hard to see right now. Wait, where are we now? Hold on one second. We need to move this over to here so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so this one here, let's just say we wanted this to move. We wanted it to like go from out to in, something like that. So we can do what we did on the last one, which is, and I'm going to mute this right now just because I don't want to hear that the whole time. So I'm going to, right at the beginning of this, I'm going to hit this scale right here. And right now it's just scaled at exactly where it was. So now maybe go to here or something like that. And let's scale it much larger. Or actually, let's go smaller. I'm just going to move this. Oops, let's move this down to almost nothing. All right. So that, if I hit play now, you can see that it starts here and it goes away. We probably wouldn't want it to go that fast, so we can come back down to here, zoom in a little bit, and we can stretch that out. Okay, and we also, since we stretched that out there, we might want to move this one a little bit further over. Something like that. All right, so now when we do it, it'll slowly go back like that. And again, just like on the last video that we went over, you can change these around as much as you want. You can make it rotate. You can change the position left or right. You can do whatever you want to do, but you can do that to the text also. That's just what I wanted to show you. And that's pretty much it. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.